Okay, guys, so guys, we're back, and I kind of separated the slime already. So yeah, let me put the tops back on the slimes we opened. Okay, so we have the. So let's put the orange. Right. Okay, we didn't put enough orange. So let's get more. Oh, this is so satisfying. I love it when we open a fresh can of slime. Oh, so soft. Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's already mixed. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay. Don't mix right now, okay? You're gonna make a rainbow, don't worry. You're going to get there. Wait. Impatient. Have you guys ever heard of impatient slime? Yeah, you're seeing it right now. There we go. Okay, now the green. Ooh, yes. This looks so satisfying, right, guys? Okay, let's open the blue. Ooh, yeah. This will make a beautiful rainbow, don't you think? But oh no, when it comes all the way together. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This slime hates me. Let's just keep going. I will do this silently. Silently, silently, silently. I am being very silent. I am not singing a song. I am singing a silent song. That means I'm saying it in my mind. If you are hearing this, you're a mind reader, and you have superpowers. Da 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 da. I made up a song in my head, guys. Do you want to hear how it goes? Well, that's for another video. Okay, so guys, Okay, let me get this cleaned up first. No, 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 no. They're gonna be mixed up anyways. And then put this on there. And put that on here. And put this on there. There we go. 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 Okay, guys. Okay, so let's roll it up. Oh, yeah. Let's stretch this out. You're so stretchy and you can't stretch on the rainbow. Oh my goodness. This is the prettiest thing I have ever witnessed. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, look at the spread, okay? Spreading it. It's so colorful. It did not turn out how I expected, but it turned out beautiful. Okay, I don't want it to turn an ugly color because it's so beautiful. Okay, but we're gonna mix it a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's already turning into an ugly color. Oh no. Okay, let's just put it in a bag already. We don't want it turning into the ugliest color in the world. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Okay, don't mix it up. Don't be suspicious. 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 It's not like I almost spilled out of the. It's not like I almost dropped the whole can of plastic bags. Nope, not at all. Don't be suspicious. Ooh, I love how the pink is in there. Yeah. This will make it really stretchy, really buttery. This will make it really stretchy, really buttery, very foamy and sticky, very, watery, very crackly. I love how the swirlies are. They're very cute. Yep. Beautiful. I don't know where to put this. Okay, so guys, it's coming out. The fashion show is coming out very soon. So stay tuned on this channel.